The United States entered the Great War in April 1917. In October 1917, Bolshevik revolutionaries overthrew Imperial Russia and immediately made an armistice with Germany. This meant the Germans could get access to equipment and prisoners which had been captured by Russia earlier during the war. The USA, along with other allies, therefore intervened in the Russian Civil War, an intervention which continued after the armistice with Germany in November 1918. In May 1918, the USA passed the Sedition Act, which prohibited unlawfully and willfully by utterance, writing, printing and publication to urge, incite and advocate curtailment of production of ordnance and ammunition necessary and essential to the prosecution of the war. 5 Russians living in New York City began producing leaflets opposing American involvement in Russia. They targeted Yiddish-speaking Jewish emigrants from Russia with a leaflet saying, "Workers in the ammunition factories, you are producing bullets, bayonets, cannon to murder not only the Germans but also your dearest, best, who are in Russia and are fighting for freedom." They were arrested under the Sedition Act and argued that it was an impermissible infringement of the First Amendment. The majority judges disagreed, saying of the leaflets, "This is not an attempt to bring about a change of administration by candid discussion. The manifest purpose was to defeat the war plans of the government of the United States by bringing upon the country the paralysis of a general strike, thereby arresting the production of all munitions and other things essential to the conduct of the war." Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes wrote a powerful dissenting judgment, which has come to be more influential than the majority judgment. He said, "When men have realised that time has upset many fighting faiths, they may come to believe even more than they believe the very foundations of their own conduct, that the ultimate good desired is better reached by the free trade in ideas, that the best test of truth is the power of the thought to get itself accepted in the competition of the market, and that truth is the only ground upon which their wishes safely can be carried out. That, at any rate, is the theory of our Constitution. It is an experiment, as all life is an experiment." More recent experience shows that the First Amendment right to protest and oppose a war is now central to American political culture.